I would say 90% of wainscoting is anywhere between 90 mil and 110 mil of the negative of the boxes. So these section of the boxes, that's just what I've worked out over time. If you go bigger than that, the negatives look too big. And if you go smaller, they look too small. So anywhere between 90 and 110 is perfect for the negative of the boxes. A few simple rules that you need to follow when you're installing wainscoting if you don't do it a lot. One is keep the negative of the boxes consistent, no matter what. Try to keep it consistent. So this distance will always be the same everywhere around a box. Same thing here. 2, take each wall individually. Don't try to say, I want 1200 mil boxes or 1.2 meter boxes throughout the whole house. That's not going to work and it'll never look good. What you have to do is take each wall individually and separately and say, how many fit here? And what will look good here? And will it look good next to a different wall? You take each wall individually, keep the negatives of the boxes consistent, and the other most basic rule is odds always look better than evens. So if you can, put 3 boxes in instead of 4. 1 instead of 2, 7 instead of 6. Just those, if you follow those 3 simple rules, you can't go wrong. Because we had such a big opening, big doors and a big window here, we had to figure out a way to make the wainscoting work and not leave that wall blank entirely, because when you leave one wall off and the rest of it has wainscoting throughout it, it looks unfinished. So I guess the challenge here was getting boxes that fit. Once again, because you have to take each wall individually, we treated this as one entire wall. Even though there's a separation by the door, we treated it as one entire wall and tried to keep the same rule of 3 looks better than 2.